Hello, how unjust is the question put by the Pharisees in the Gospel of today. They're asking if the man can release, send away woman away from the bondage of marriage. So when we look in this question, we see the whole structure of the society where only one part of the society is responsible one, where only one part of the society is ruling over another one, and another one is not asked about that. And this is something which is truly and profoundly unjust. And Jesus is asking what is written in the Torah. They are responding that this is legal. But Jesus, by asking, he knows what Moses was said about that. He finds a way to appeal to something much more profound to the Pharisees, to appeal to something more original, more in the first place, more the first order. And so putting again the order where is no order, because this is no order when only one part of the society is ruling over another one. And therefore he says, in the beginning there was two, man and woman. There was no difference that man rules over woman. Man is deciding over the bondage. Man does everything and woman is not asked about. And he said they were built one. This is the fundamental thing which is occurring. The bondage is between them two. And he says in other words, if they want to lift this bond, this will be something which, when only one person decides, whether man or woman, to live, this will be something like to hurt another part. Of course, we can ask what will occur when both of them will decide, because they are suffering too much about this bondage. But first, I think that Jesus wants us to think about this as something which is a decision between two people, and two people will be hurt when this bondage will be released. Two people which have decided to be one. And by putting this image as something commonplace, something which Pharisees already know, he's shifting the accent between the rule, which is given only to one side, to something which is much more original. There are two. And I think that this image is bringing back the order and telling us, in other words, both will suffer because they have divided within their hearts. So, if you decide in this way, you will suffer. Take care about this bondage. I think that Jesus is not wanting us to be imprisoned because only of this rule. He is saying that to give the voice to both of them and look more profoundly about the consequences. Thank you.